Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start building your business right now by simply focusing on one thing and one thing only, and that's coming up. How's it going? Digital DIY Geek here from digitaldiygeek.com, where I teach you how to build a business starting today and not something that's been going on for the past 6 or 7 years and you're just riding the wave. So today I want to talk to you about something that I wish I would have learned a long time ago, and that's really simple. Understanding what affiliate marketing really is and what it isn't. Affiliate marketing is really simple. You make an offer to someone, they either say yes or no. Either they buy or they don't. And that's the easiest to get. That's as simple as it is. So here's what I need you to understand, because I didn't understand this when I first got started. I thought I needed the fancy lighting system, the fancy cameras, the fancy tech, and all that stuff. So I went out and bought all of it. And you know what happened? I wound up getting sidetracked and trying to figure out how to work the camera, learning what ISO is, shutter speed, frame rate, how all of that's supposed to mesh, why ain't I getting the color I want, then trying to figure out how to use Final Cut Pro. Then I switched over to Premiere Pro. Then after that, I tried to do it on the iPad. So it was a big learning curve. The more technical you get, the bigger the learning curve. The best thing you can do when you're first getting started is pull out your cell phone and just shoot in normal full HD, which is 1080p. Right now, I'm on an iPhone X, which I can shoot 4K on this phone, but I'm actually using a front-facing camera right now with just a lens on it to give me a wider view, so you don't have that little box that you see, so you get more in the shot. But other than that, that's it. And this can work on any phone, meaning Android, iPhone, doesn't matter. It works on any phone. This is how I recommend you get started, because in the beginning, it's about speed of implementation. What most people fail to realize is the longer it takes you to actually get your first offer up online, the longer it takes you to make money. So for example, when I was first getting started, I wanted to build a website. I wanted to make sure my offer was right. I wanted to confirm my niche. I wanted to make sure I didn't get on anybody's nerve. I wanted to make sure I was offering them the right things. I wanted to have all these certainties in place before I took my first step. And as a result, it took me a very, very long time to start seeing results. And what I didn't realize at that time is you can do a lot of busy work in your business, whether it's affiliate marketing or your online business or some other type of business model, whether it's FBA or whatever. It really doesn't matter. You can do a ton of busy work in those businesses. But if you don't have an offer online and you're not getting people in front of that offer every single day, asking them to buy, then honestly, you have no chance of making money. And this is the lesson that I truly wish I would have learned in the beginning. For whatever reason, I didn't learn it. People weren't talking about it. And it took me a very long time to get this. You can do a ton of busy work, but if you're not getting people in front of your offer every single day, you have no chance of making a sale. Now, as you can see right now, you're on my vlog on my YouTube channel. Now, look at this video. Like, it's not, you know what I'm saying, super duper high production quality like you see some of those YouTubers. And here's the thing. I have a DSLR camera. I have a boom microphone. So I can do all that fancy stuff, but it's a vlog. It's me talking to you on a personal level, sharing my journey with you as I build my business. For that, you don't really need to be super fancy. You don't need to be standing in front of a whiteboard. Like this right here, this is just a wall that just happened to be this color. But you can find any place in your house that, you know, has a wall that's blank, so there's no distractions, and be able to talk there. Now, sure, you can do a little color correction on, you know, LumaFusion if you're on an iPad, or if you're on an iPhone or Apple ecosystem, you have LumaFusion. You can do that, or if you're on an Android, you can just use Filmic Pro and don't record in flat, just record in dynamic. That way, what you see is what you get, and you're able to do a little bit of editing and then just upload it to YouTube. Then you're able to go on, add your tags and things like that, and keep it moving. This is what it takes to really, you know, build a business. Not looking around trying to figure out how to do what other people are doing and worrying about the things you don't have. because I've been there, I've done that, and I'm telling you, I spent a ton of money. And when I tell you a ton of money, I mean a ton of money. And at the end of the day, it didn't have any bearing on my success. My success came down to really simply, was I getting people in front of my offer, and did I have an offer online to get people in front of? Like, that's really what my success boiled down to. So I really hope you take this to heart, because at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter what tech you got, what tools you got, what software you got, what you're doing. Only thing matters is, hey, do I have an offer up, and how do I get traffic to that offer? That's all that matters. So with that being said, this is Digital DIY Geek from digitaldiygeek.com. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you like this type of stuff. And if you have a question or a comment below, feel free to leave it below. If you disagree with me, let me know. I really want to know why. If you agree, I want to know that too. Let me know below. Only thing I ask is that you keep it nice in the chat. It's fun to disagree. I love having those type of conversations. Just don't be, rude or obnoxious with it. So, with that being said, if you would like to learn how to build your affiliate marketing business, and you don't want to go through the hoopla of got yous or putting in credit cards or giving out emails and all that stuff before someone showed you what they can do, then I recommend you check out the link below, which is Commission Kickstart. Over there, you take a quiz. If you can pass the quiz, meaning, if we're a good fit for each other, you'll get the course 100% free. There is no got yous. There is no, you get to a certain point and realize you need $100 piece of software to make this thing work. There is no, put in your email address if you want to continue. There's none of that. It's just simply me giving you tremendous value, because I want to show you that if you give me the opportunity, I definitely can show you how to build an online business leveraging affiliate marketing. That's the only catch to it. I'm good at affiliate marketing, and I can show you what I do to do promotional products, to promote products online, leveraging affiliate marketing. So with that being said, this is Digital DIY Geek, and I'm out.